We need not remind Kenyans of what can happen when the general populace loses confidence in the court system. Our country has gone through a traumatizing moment in its history, largely due to mistrust in the judicial system and allegations that send us back into this painful moment should not be taken lightly or entertained. Such misdirected, callous, and casual and reckless conduct makes us wonder what exactly is the agenda of Mr. Ahmed Nasir. We therefore reiterate our call to the Director of Public Prosecutions to take appropriate action within his constitutional mandate. We also urge the leadership of the Law Society of Kenya and the Senior Counsel Bar to take such measures as are within their respective mandates to bring discipline and order among its members, and specifically Senior Counsel Ahmed Nasir, and also restore the dignity of the bar and the legal profession. Only then shall the bar and bench retain the respect and trust that they ought to have for each other and from the public at large.